रही तालीम मशरिक़ में न मग़रिब में रही गैरत, ये जितने पलटे जाते हैं जहालत बढ़ती जाती है। In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful and gracious. Honorable Chief Guest, respected teacher and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Umar Khalid and I am the student of the Eaglets Nursery school system, Shah Noor. Today I am glad to join you on Papa Special and I am presenting my speech on the importance of education. Mr. President, the year is 610 AD. A 40-year-old man of faith sits in a cave in seclusion and meditation. An angel waited to deliver the message of higher authority to him. The first word of the message is Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq. Read in the name of your Allah who created. Mr. President, the very first message of Allah was an instruction for humanity to attain education. Mr. President, I would like to remind you the word of Napoleon when he said, "Give me good mother and I will give you a good mother." By good nation, he means nothing more educated women. Mr. President, let me grant the message of Napoleon that what he wants to deliver. He said that give my people education and I will give you a tolerant nation. Mr. President, nobody can deny the importance of education. A famous hadith from the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, gain knowledge even if you go to China. Gain knowledge even if you go to China. Mr. President, this single hadith is enough to prove the importance of education. Most of people do still not know the difference between being educated and acting educated. They think that they have the B school and they have the big degrees, so this is education. But it's not true. Being well educated is never meant to earn the certificates or get the good salaries from reputed organization. We can say education is the process of achieving knowledge, values, beliefs, skills, and most of the important is moral habits. Dear sir, we can present education as BVKH means the transformation of belief, values, knowledge and symbolic expression from one generation to another. Mr. President, education plays a very important role in a human life. As we can say, it helps us to successful and to be a better person. It improves our knowledge, skills, helps to deal with problems. In today's competitive world, good education has become necessity. It is important to be well educated if one aims to become a doctor, soldier, pilot, engineer or such any hold respectful position in the society. It helps to develop our own personality, improve status of mind, body and spirit. Mr. President, I would like to mention the words of great politician Mr. Nelson Mandela that education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world and also used to reduce the issues of terrorism, inequality, gender discrimination and many such issues. The poet says, "Likitaw ko chipuktun pa anang guwinam, likitaw ko chipuktun pa anang guwinam, pawatansang bazanak me da kushaluwinam. Rusto baukalam Islam dalangidilu khatra. Rusto baukalam Islam dalangidilu khatra, dajang medan na chipuktun pa taktiduwinam. Zamade mini mashum, jabalas dakale nada. Zamade mini mashum, jabalas dakale nada. Bilduna mini me arman chipaksuwinam. Daqan dwanano, tabahi ehsas पैदा शिराता. दकान द्वानानो, tabahi ehsas पैदा शिराता. Umar chakam pengli be 17 be parduwinam. Mamale ne lalbala.